A very good morning, viewers. It's 7 a.m. and you're watching Republic TV. I'm Deepak Suresh Kumar, and the Parliament is set to witness a showdown over the Waqf Amendment Bill because NDA plans to table it in the Lok Sabha. Time has been allocated for a discussion. The BJP has issued a whip to all its MPs to be present in the lower house today, and the NDA allies have also followed suit. Meanwhile, the opposition is gearing up to counter the Waqf bill in the Parliament today. Take a look.
Amid the protests, the centre is all set to table the Waqf Amendment Bill in the Parliament today.
We had a Business Advisory Committee meeting for Lok Sabha. I had proposed before the committee that on 2nd April, we are bringing the Waqf Amendment Bill. And for that, we have to allocate time for discussion.
The bill is slated for 8 hours of discussion to be commenced from 12 p.m. onwards in Lok Sabha. Ahead of tabling of the bill, the BJP has issued a 3-line whip to all its members of Parliament of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha to be present in the Parliament during the Waqf bill discussions. NDA allies such as TDP, JDU and Lok Janshakti Party have also extended their support to the bill, though they have been urging the government to address concerns of all stakeholders of the proposed amendments.
हम मुस्लिम समाज के हर हित की रक्षा करेंगे, हर हित के उनके पक्ष में हैं। जो भी होगा, कल संभवतः ये बिल आएगा, उसके बाद ही हम चर्चा कर पाएंगे कि हमारी मांगों को कितना उन्होंने उसमें रखा गया, माना गया। उसके बाद ही हम इसके बारे में अपना कमेंट्स करेंगे।
However, Ajit Pawar-led NCP has not yet cleared their party stance on the Waqf bill. Meanwhile, AIMIM's chief Asaduddin Owaisi has strongly opposed the bill and called it, quote, unconstitutional.
ये वक्फ बिल अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल है। ये वक्फ बिल आर्टिकल 14, आर्टिकल 25, 26, 29 का ग्रेव वायलेशन है। ये वक्फ बिल नहीं है, बल्कि ये वक्फ बर्बाद बिल है। ये
The All India Muslim Personal Law Board has also raised its opposition to the Waqf Amendment Bill. Ulemas and Imams are also called for an emergency meeting in Mumbai before the Waqf Bill is presented in Parliament. Last evening, Indie Bloc leaders held meeting to chalk out the strategy ahead of the Waqf Amendment Bill tabling. After tabling the Waqf Amendment Bill in Lok Sabha, Union Home Minister Amit Shah is set to address on the Waqf Amendment Bill in Parliament at around 6 p.m. this evening. As all NDA partners have extended their support to the bill, will the Modi government be able to pass the bill in Parliament?
Priyanka is joining me live from Rajiv Chowk in the national capital. Priyanka, very good morning to you. The stage is set in the Lok Sabha today because Kiren Rijiju, the Parliamentary Minority Affairs Minister, will be tabling the Waqf bill today. And Priyanka, who are the BJP speakers in today's session? Who are the ones that will be leading the charge? If you could take our viewers to the developments coming in at the moment.
Well, the most controversial Waqf Amendment Bill is all set to be tabled in the Lok Sabha today, and all eyes are, of course, going to be on this very big development. We know that in the last few days and weeks, there have been huge opposition that has been growing ahead of the tabling of the bill in the Parliament, and the opposition is very much focused about the fact that they will be going ahead and opposing this bill as it is going to be tabled today. Well, all the discussions will be followed from 12 p.m. onwards in the Lok Sabha, as that is the time that has been given. The session resumes at around 11 a.m. But the bill will be tabled by Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju at around 12 p.m. And then furthermore, 8 hours have been given for discussion on that particular bill. There will be several speakers from the side of the BJP as well as from the side of the opposition who in fact will be leading this particular discussion at this point in time that we will be looking forward to. Remember, there has been, in fact, several hurdles that had taken place yesterday itself from the side of the opposition. They had chalked out a strategy, how they will be going ahead and opposing this particular bill. We are expecting a huge drama to take place. Now, the question is whether the House will function smoothly or not, because in the past we have seen that due to the opposition, they have been creating several disruptions in the House. But today is an important day. Business needs to happen. Discussions needs to be taking place, because the centre has made its stance very clear that because there have been 8 hours have been given in for the discussion, there has to be a fruitful one. The opposition can also raise their issues and suggestions and discuss this particular matter. But disruption of the House, something that will be, if it will be seen, that's not going to be good. So we have to wait and watch, Deepak, what exactly is going to happen next, during the entire course of day, because it's going to be an 8-hour-long discussion. Whether or not it happens smoothly, that is something that needs to be seen.
Priyanka, the opposition clearly has no numbers in the Lok Sabha to win this if it goes to vote. And clearly on ground as well, the support is dwindling, because we've seen how several members of the minority community itself, like the Ajmer Dargah chief, coming out and openly supporting the Waqf bill. Tell us about how the opposition is strategizing to fight this reform.
Well, Deepak, in the very start, when the talks about this bill had in fact come into being, we had seen the opposition leaders raising their voice, especially AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi, and then followed by all the opposition parties, Samajwadi Party, the Trinamool Congress, the Congress. All these parties had given in their support. And if you have to see that way, the entire Indie bloc is going to be opposing this particular bill. And they are clearly saying that it is a hit at the Muslim community. It is against their rights. That is something, the opposition constantly is maintaining their stance at. Now we have to wait and see what exactly happens, because in the past, sloganeering is one of the major moves that has been made by the opposition in the past. And whether or not that is going to be another day today where there is going to be sloganeering, there's going to be disruption in the House, that is something that needs to be seen. A meeting of all the opposition leaders yesterday had in fact given out a huge message that the opposition is also quite strong about the fact that they want to oppose. But the government is also very much focused that no matter what, this particular bill, the amendments that have been, absorbed at this very moment, 40 amendments that were suggested, that is something that is the need of the hour. In fact, there has been support that has been garnered from the side of the, several Muslim communities that had come out in support of the government, other than the All India Muslim Personal Law Board that continuously protested against this particular bill. So we have to wait and see how the House functions today on that regard.
Right, Priyanka, many thanks for joining us with those details.